For this experiment, we require a concave mirror, a mirror stand, a screen on which we are going to create an image formed by this concave mirror. And apart from these two objects, that is the mirror and the screen, we require an object. So in this case, we will focus on this building. This building will act as an object, and the image of this object will be formed by the concave mirror. So we need to place the concave mirror in front of the object, and in front of the mirror also we need to place the screen, because the mirror is going to form the image of this particular object, that is the building, on the screen. So now, in order to ensure the formation of the image, we need to adjust the position of this mirror and screen so that a clear and distinct image is formed on the screen. So now gradually we will start moving the concave mirror until we are able to see a very sharp and distinct image of the building on this screen. So as you can see, gradually a picture of the building, an image of that building can be seen on this screen. I hope you are able to see this. So by gradually adjusting the position of the mirror, I am trying to find out a specific position where the image formed is very sharp. And if I move too close from this position, the image will again become hazy. Let us adjust the position of the screen a little bit so that a sharp clear image is formed. Okay, so now I guess you are able to see the image of the building very clearly on this screen. So once again I am just moving the mirror a little bit so that a better image can be formed. So a little bit of adjustment so as to ensure the formation of a clear, distinct, sharp image of the object. As you can see now, a sharp image of the building can be seen, and now by measuring the distance between the screen and the mirror, we can find out the focal length of this concave mirror. For this we will be making use of the scale. So the distance between the mirror and the screen, that will give an idea of the focal length and measure of the focal length of this concave mirror.